Let's get these batteries in. I'll unplug that. Hopefully, what sort of temperature are we? Not as warm, but they're still warm. Last time they've been heated for a long time. Right, let's get this on here. Hopefully we're going to be able to see the car. Hopefully the cloud comes over again that we can see it. Okay, so you can see that's on the car. So start. Okay, I'll set this phone over here to get some video, just to make it more entertaining. Otherwise it's boring as hell. Through, and then we'll go for this. My other phone's sitting way over there to catch it coming through. I see she's going straight. I'll turn this down and see where we can go. Walk off here a bit. Stop again. Again, sorry for the long video doing this. Right. Hopefully that's where it needs to be. Let's go back here. I'm holding the remote around here because I don't know whether there's interference or whether it's just maybe I had tweaked the trigger a bit because the car leapt forward. But we'll soon see. Hopefully this goes without a glitch. So GT 8S Onyx batteries. This should for hopefully 160. Hopefully. Okay, I left it. Stop. Oh, that is down there. I wouldn't mind actually, forgive me, I wouldn't mind actually walking down to see how far down that is. So we will. And then we'll come back. We'll just speed this bit up. Let's go down and see how much space we had to left, because I started braking at this point here. This time normally I'm braking on the way through the gate. So then we'll run here. So we'll go and see where we stopped. If we haven't gone to, that's about as far as I can go looking at that. I'm gonna be tired tonight. That's not leaving an awful lot of room for error. So that white stripe in that gearing is my braking marker. Whew. Let's turn the Joe rate up. Get her turned around. So there's where she stopped. Whew. Not much room for error there, is there? Right. Right on that line. She went away on the acceleration, she went away off to, she would have turned on, if you're driving the car, she would have went to the left. Looking at it, it went off to the right. And then I just aimed for the hole. Ah, sunlight's hard on you. Oh, let's see what we got. what happened is that go done. That phone went done. So it did. Let's hope it was enough to catch the car though. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. Right, let's see what we've got here. Go into the shade bit. Right. Stop. Read. Ah, damn it! It's a PB, but it's not what I wanted. Do I go again? What time are we? Sort of. We're gonna go again. So we are. Right. I need 160.